that concept, the societal pressure of hustle culture can definitely be far reaching. And, it's present in our corporate cultures and workplaces, and also in places like social media. And if you listen to other entrepreneurs that follow this, it's this idea that you constantly need to be working and doing and pushing harder, and not a focus on taking time for rest and taking time to care for your mental health. And so I think that you can absolutely work hard and do a lot and be productive, especially as an entrepreneur. That can be necessary in the first few months to years of your business and of whatever it is that you're working on, while still creating time for balance. And it's all about checking into what works best for you. So the concept of hustle culture is this idea of constantly needing to be busy and working. And so you can be working hard and working towards your goals and still making time for rest. Because the issue is, when you're constantly pushing forward and pushing harder, then you're going to reach a point of burnout, especially when you struggle with anxiety and high functioning anxiety, because that time to care for your mental health is essential. Honestly, it's essential for everybody, but things are going to become even more difficult when you're prone to anxiety. So there's no perfect formula or perfect schedule if that doesn't seem to fit for you, or if you're in a place where you're in a generative phase and wanting to come up with a lot of ideas, or spending more time in your business than potentially other resources. It can help to look at the fact that hustle culture is a lie unless you have no other responsibilities in your life, and unless you want to completely sacrifice your well-being. And that's my personal opinion, but based on my experience and my expertise, I wholeheartedly stand by that. And so I think it's more about finding, what is that balance like for you? You don't have to sacrifice your ambition or work less hard on things in order to take care of yourself. And so finding, what does that look like for you? And sometimes that means focusing on only a few priorities at a time, and just being realistic with what you can devote your time and energy towards. Hey, have you taken my free high functioning anxiety quiz? High functioning anxiety is when you appear calm and successful on the outside, but on the inside, you're struggling with anxiety, overwhelm, and overthinking. This quiz is perfect for you if you feel as though you may be struggling with high functioning anxiety, but you're not exactly sure, or even if you have no idea and you just want to see if you may be struggling with it. You can take the free 5-minute quiz and get your personalized results and resources by going to hfaquiz.com, or you can click on the link in the description.